Hey, if Tinfoil says your SD card is not detected or won't read properly, that can stop everything. But don't worry. Here's how to fix it. First, fully power off your console. Remove the SD card and reinsert it properly, then turn the console back on. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. Next, test the SD card on a computer. If it's not detected there either, it may be corrupted or damaged. Run a disk error check to repair issues. If problems continue, back up your files and reformat the SD card to FAT32. Avoid XFAT if possible. If the SD card works on PC but not on your console, the SD card reader could be the issue. Clean the contacts gently and try again. Also make sure your custom firmware and tinfoil are updated. And if nothing works, test with another SD card. Follow these steps and your SD card should be detected again.